Hello, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. It's Thursday afternoon, September 10th. We're here to talk to you about the grain markets. We got a crop report tomorrow, so we'll touch base on that here a little bit. Certainly the yields on corn and soybeans are going to be lowered, but this report tomorrow, it's not going to reflect what is out there. So I think a September 30th production updates are going to be more real. But nonetheless, this report will come and go, and the algorithms will be trading. But, for example, like I touched on last week, tomorrow's report, last month, the USDA said China's demand for U.S. corn is 7 million metric tons. Tomorrow they'll probably say 10 million metric tons. And there was an article on Bloomberg this week quoting a Louis Dreyfus trader. This is more closer to 30 million metric tons. So China's appetite for U.S. corn seems to be increasing, and it's going to continue. So we'll keep talking about that. Now, the first chart of corn, these are good charts here that I'm putting in front of you. All of the grains are above the 200-day moving average. You can see the corn market. That gap is still intact underneath there. I think as long as this gap is intact, I think the bulls have the right horse here in the corn market. So here we go. 82% of Iowa is severe drought, so you can see these corn charts above these 200-day moving average. This is impressive here, and I think number one is strong export demand, and number two, strong end-user demand. So we got a good story here going. Demand is the key. It seems to be getting there, and it's going to get better and better, so we'll keep talking about all of that. Again, this September report, it's not going to reflect what's out there. I think this is going to be a billion bushel bad for our corn crop, so we'll see how the trade responds to that tomorrow. Okay, the soybean chart, very impressive here. I think in the months ahead we're going to see some things in our markets that we've never seen before. And one of them now, you got 12 days up of November beans here. And this is in September. This is really, really impressive. Soybean longs are 163,000 now. Now the managed funds are long corn, about 20,000 contracts of corn, so we'll see how they do here. I think China's just getting started buying U.S. agriculture, and China's got some crop problems of their own over there, so it's a good story, and China's going to continue to buy U.S. agriculture here. The wheat market, next chart of wheat, looking good here. Wheat's going up. There's dryness in the Black Sea, and then recent spikes in Russia's wheat offers have increased the wheat prices around the world here today. So this is good. We got a African swine fever confirmed out of Germany this morning, and I think what's going to happen, this pandemic, USDA is going to come out of this strong as ever. We'll get this behind us. We got the safest grain agriculture in the world, a very fair legal system for the world to buy our U.S. grains, and I think that's what we're going to see happen. So let's everybody have an excellent day.